Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Open the loan app and sign in with your primary credentials. Once signed in, navigate to Settings or Profile because that's where account controls live. Make sure two-factor authentication is available. You will need it to verify identity during deletion. Take screenshots of the data fields you want removed and note the app version and device model. These help support if records differ. Start the deletion flow from Account or Privacy. Don't go to Payments yet. Once you select Delete or Remove personal data, follow each verification prompt slowly. You'll often be asked to upload a photo ID, enter the SSN last 4 digits, and confirm via SMS or Authenticator app. This proves you control the account. Make sure each upload completes and keep the confirmation codes shown on screen. If the app asks about linked bank or loan records, choose to remove or disassociate each item. This severs data connections. Save all confirmation numbers. After submission, check your email and in-app notifications for a deletion confirmation. This contains the request ID you might need later. Once done, make sure linked bank routing or loan numbers are disassociated to prevent relinking. If the deletion fails or data remains visible, immediately contact support, provide screenshots and the request ID, and escalate to a supervisor. Monitor your statements and the app for 30 to 90 days to confirm removal. If anything resurfaces, reopen the ticket with documented evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.